Let's do this. Hey guys, welcome to Fuel Fest 2024 Scottsdale, Arizona. Let's go take a look around and see what is here. What's up, bro? Let's go take a look around and see what is here. We got lots of cool cars out on the grass. We got drifting over there. We got the stage up front. What's up, Noel?
How you doing, brother?
Big fan, love you in the first movie, man.
Chilling, dog. All love. Nice to meet you, man. How you doing?
Pretty cool to meet Hector from the Fast and the Furious. You guys are enjoying Fuel Fest so far. I'm just sitting here getting a little bit of food. I'm hungry. But I've been having a lot of fun so far. It was nice meeting some of you guys that came up and watched the channel, knew who I was, came up and said hi. And I was thinking about going to the XComp VIP lounge. I was like, oh, that'd be fun, you know. I'll get a look and maybe get a ticket, go get some food, maybe a beer. It's like $500 for a ticket. So that's why I'm sitting in the back seat of my trunk eating some Clucks and fries. We got all the spectators here at the hill. I already got my wristband. Let's go hop into the drift car. Nothing like the smell of burnt rubber and race fuel.
Josh, I'm Donovan. I got him already linked.
Let's do this.
What?
All harnessed up.
Man, yeah, no, we're on the way out North Carolina.
It's like a 2-hour wait. I'm so excited, man.
Oh, you're here for 2 hours?
Yeah, 2 hours.
Then I'm gonna throw down then.
It's all good, man.
I'm gonna throw down.
Well worth it.
My fun tune button.
Which one?
This one. I'll start throwing big flames out.
Well, I totally screwed up with my full frame camera. You'll see in the footage I raised the camera up to hit record. I didn't realize it was still recording, so I stopped recording and I missed the entire run with my camera, but I did get it on my cell phone. I did film it. Like, I had my full frame Sony camera. I was holding it out the window of the car trying to get a good shot, but I missed it, unfortunately. But it was totally worth the $100 and the 2.5 hours of waiting. It was freaking awesome. And yeah, if you guys ever make it to Phil Fest, definitely do a ride along with the Mustang team. I'll put their information and the link for the driver up on the screen and down below in the description. I'm gonna head down to the stage over there and we're gonna go see, I think they're gonna do a little bit of a concert or some type of music, so I'm gonna go down there. I think Cody usually comes down there and talks, so I'm gonna go check that out and then I'm gonna hit the road.
Hey, keep it going, y'all, keep it going! It's the Nuggets Rockets song!
Well, that was pretty cool. I'm gonna hop in my car, head over to HGS. Unfortunately, my microphone was disconnected from my camera for the outro, so none of the voice came through, but I had a blast at Field Fest. And if you guys were thinking of attending the show and kind of wondering what it was like. I hope that this video captured kind of some of the experience of what you can expect if you go, and I'll definitely have to come back and revisit HKS facility in the day, hopefully go on and like tour inside. Today's video was so much fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Maybe leave me a comment down below, hit the like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Thanks for watching.